Hey guys, welcome back to Blacktop Cruisers. Just getting the three that we pulled out of that car ready to go pressure wash it. And I thought I would talk to you guys real quick about how to tell if an engine is a reman engine or a junkyard engine. Okay, one of the telltale signs is going to be one of these guys right there. And what that does is that's going to change color when it overheats. So if you overheat this engine to the point where that dot turns a color, you will not get your money back. Okay, and on there it says LKQ. Okay, and then another spot they have it circled for us, LKQ. So if you see this dot, chances are you've got a reman engine. So that's where we're at. Yeah, we're gonna get it pressure washed up. Not gonna do anything too fancy on this engine because I don't know how long it'll be in the car, but we'll get her cleaned up. Well boys, it's clean. Yeah, looks a lot better now. Get all that oil off there. And you know, I really like using special cleaners for doing this, but I gotta say, the my local coin wash here did really well, and I didn't realize it until today because it's really freaking cold out that it is actually heated water. So that worked out really well. I don't think I'm actually gonna paint it. I think I'm just gonna leave it the way it is because it's all gonna be coming back out a couple years probably. So I think it'll be fine the way it is, and we'll let her buck. Watch the next video for when we put this guy in its new home. Thanks for watching. Click subscribe, please.